Good morning everyone. Today let's see about GK questions on birds. First question, which is the national bird of America? Eagle. Eagle. Second question, which bird lay the largest egg? Ostrich. Ostrich. So, ostrich egg weighs about 1100 gram to 1950 gram. Third question, which bird has the shortest lifespan? Kingfisher. Kingfisher. So, kingfisher is unhealthy one. Little kingfisher die within a year, but the large kingfisher can survive up to 15 years. Fourth question, identify the bird. Sparrow. Sparrow. Fifth question, which bird can rotate its head in 270 degrees? Owl. Owl. Eighth question, which is the only bird that can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Yes, hummingbird can fly backwards or even upside down. Seventh question, which is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbird. This bee hummingbird weighs only 2 grams. Eighth question, which bird lays the smallest egg? Hummingbird. Hummingbird. The egg of hummingbird is similar to the size of a pea. Ninth question, which is the largest breed of penguin? Emperor penguin. Emperor penguin. It is about 45-inch tall. Second is the king penguin. 10th question, what is the name for journey made by birds between summer and winter homes? Migration. Migration. So, thousands of birds fly during summer and winter time. 11th question, which bird does not make its own nest? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. 12th question, if crow is called as the thief bird, then owl is called as watchman. Watchman, because owl will be active only during the night time. 12th question, which bird float on its neck in water? Darter. Darter. It is also called as snake bird. So, darter or snake bird. 13th question, which bird sacrifices its life in separation of its partner? Stork. Stork. 14th question, which bird sleep by raising her feet? Titihari. Titihari. So, Titihari is afraid of branches of the tree. So, it protects its egg by laying on them and raising the feet while sleeping. 15th question, which bird is called as blackbird? Bulbul. Bulbul. 16th question, find out what is this bird? Yes, dove. Dove. 17th question, which bird is the symbol of peace? Dove. Dove. Thank you everyone.